Hi, I'm Birchie, CEO and co-founder of OpenSolar. I wanted to invite you personally to our upcoming launch of OpenSolar 3.0. It's going to be a live event packed with new features and capabilities that will truly help you take your growth to another level, streamline your operations, and create a sustainable, profitable business. And we're particularly excited to debut our AI-powered lead gen and system design tools, together with a whole new layer of intelligence right across the app. Global solar electrification is worth trillions of dollars to our industry over the next decade. And with OpenSolar 3.0, we're going to show you the latest and greatest tools that will help you participate in this massive opportunity. We respect you and your time, which is why the whole event is free and just 30 minutes long. So please join me live as we unveil the new era of OpenSolar 3.0.